All right, come back on Thursday the 19th at 8:30. I gotta get you a new attorney.
I gotta get you a new attorney.
Yes, sir. I'll make it happen.
Does that work?
I have therapy for the first time at 10. So
That's a
but I
good
will
thing.
make it work.
Where's therapy?
It's in Loveland. It's only a 30-minute drive, so I'll make it work. It's okay.
You have it at 9:30?
At 10.
Oh, at 10. I'll call your case first on Thursday.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
He's gonna call her case first because he wants her out of there. And the reason why is she was a nightmare. And she fired her lawyer. So we just got done. I went back to, I think it was February or January, February in my stream. And I remember she fired that lawyer. And then we, boom, went right into this clip. Right here, where this woman goes pro se. She's already had 2 lawyers. She's fired them both. And now she's pro se. And she just had the most special request for this guy. You ready?
Miss Felvey, I'm not going to order Mr. Dawson-Erdman to act in a certain way.
I know.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I can't order.
What she asked for, I was trying to get there. What she asked for was she wanted her what is it called? Relief counsel. That's not it. Standby counsel to sit behind the bar. She wanted him to sit in the gallery. And the judge said no.
A symbiotic relationship.
But he's my advisor counsel and his name's on the proceedings. So I think he's going to want to uphold his name and his dignity as an attorney.
Well, I can't.
I think he'll be fine. I just really, we've been at tug of war.
And you can disagree with the attorneys. I mean, it's okay to disagree with your attorney. I just can't. Can't do is I can't order an attorney to see it the way you want him
I just
to.
want to get my witness and I want to see the dash cam and I want to be prepared for trial. And there's a reason because I feel frustrated that you appointed the attorneys that didn't work for me. And I feel like it symbiotically goes back to you
Mhm.
accidentally on my part. So then I feel that this witness has a lot of things to say about her credibility.
Okay.
And
So here's
I
what-
don't think
Today was the day to call the witness. But she didn't call a witness because she's pro se and she didn't know she was supposed to bring her own witness. So she wants a continuance. That's what this whole thing is. This is a motion for continuance. And now she doesn't want a bench trial anymore. She thinks she wants to go back to jury trial. So the prosecutor does object to everything. The judge lets this person have whatever she wants. You can see the whole hearing. You can just look at the link in my description for the whole hearing, both of them. The one that fired the attorney before and this one. These are just highlights from her.
she'll do it on the stand with a jury.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn to the district attorney and ask them for the following question.
Right.
One, where's the body worn camera? Okay. Because
Yeah, we have that. The dash cam.
you said you have it.
We have the body cam, but not the dash
Okay.
cam.
I'm going to ask for the dash cam. 2, I'm going to ask their position on a motion to continue with a speedy trial waiver.
Okay.
And then 3, and that doesn't mean I want to put it off for a very long time. It'd be 6 months from today, but we'd still have to reschedule it.
Okay.
And then 3, restoring your right to a jury trial.
Thank you.
Okay. And then do you have any other motions or requests that you wanted to make at this time? Because I want to give the DA a chance to
What's
talk.
on there? Yeah. Oh, yes, my witness, besides Miss Rain, my witness is Alexandra Elliott, and I think she goes to Switzerland this time of year. And I think maybe she'll be back. And
Alexandra Elliott.
Elliott, yes.
Okay. And then I think, and I appreciate your disclosure right now because you
That's
are
not a motion.
complying with the rules, but let me just make sure. There might be one piece of information besides her name that you need to provide.
Thank you for accepting my motion late.
Yeah, and
Late.
let's just make sure. I'm looking, Miss Felvey, at Rule 16 of the Colorado Rules of Criminal Procedure,
Right.
Part 2.
What is she reading right
I think
now?
she's checking her phone for the address.
She
Judge.
doesn't.
Okay.
Oh,
And
oh,
yeah, so it's names and addresses that you'll need to provide to the
Okay.
DA.
Let's see. Okay. I had some tech trauma. My other phone's screen cracked and my Chromebook screen cracked
Okay.
about a week, and I had to get to the doctor because I've been sick, and I
Mhm.
ran around and got this done. But I apologize for turning it in late, and I thank you for accepting that, and I thank you for hearing me and hearing me out and listening to me and getting this done, and so that I will feel better and it will be over, and I will feel
Okay.
like I've
I don't know what's going to happen as far as the outcome of this case.
nobody
But
does.
I also want to say that it is important to me that you feel like you're getting your full day in court. So, and I'm sorry that you don't have faith in the court and that your confidence has been damaged. But that's why that's
darn
one of the
lawyers.
things we're addressing here.
But yes,
So-
and I stepped forward to get on an even keel about all of that because it's been really frustrating for me, this whole thing.
Okay, so have you pulled up the address?
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay. You're asking for a copy of Miss Rain's driver's license.
It's exculpatory identity.
Well, okay, but I need to give the district attorney a chance to respond to that
Yes,
request.
Yes.
So,
Your Honor, I think
Mr. Dawson Urban.
that may be mooted. Like a DMV copy of the alleged victim's driver's license was recently disclosed through the discovery process.
Is it true that you've now disclosed the named victim's driver's license?
The criminal history, Your Honor, that has the driver's license DMV information on it, yes.
Ms. Felvey, in light of that, is there anything else you're trying to get?
Yes, it's on the body worn camera. She handed him a California driver's license and he listed it. I have the police report. He listed it as.
And you're looking for a Xerox copy of it or something?
They're in
No,
Colorado.
I'm looking for the exculpatory identity of this woman because her credibility is not very good.
But I guess I'm a little confused. What identity do you think is exculpatory? I guess. Like, you think she's not who she says she is?
She has a lot of who she says she is. She has a lot of aliases.
Okay. And so
From the DA's own discovery, she has 4 now.
I understand that, but I guess this is what I'm just trying to find out. What is it? What's the offer of proof that you think a copy of her driver's license would show you?
Well, it shows that the police showed bias and coercion. They know Officer Mendelson never called in her driver's license, even
Police showed bias and coercion. That's why I need her driver's license.
though the dispatch.
Well, you can ask him about that.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna ask him.
Yeah, you can ask him about that, but I'm just,
Yeah.
I don't understand why you need the
I just
driver's license.
yeah. Yes. I think that's what I've been trying to say. I know she has aliases. And I
and-
think she had a fake ID. I think she gave him a California driver's license. It's on the body.
Why do you think that? Is
Because I
it,
saw it in the body worn camera.
First off, that's what fake IDs are for, aren't they? To give to the police. That's their function, isn't it?
you saw on the body worn camera a fake ID?
I saw a California. He had his thumb over it the whole time, and it takes a long time to see it. But I was stuck with that thumb drive for so long. I looked at everything, and I'm telling you, and he writes it down on the police report. He doesn't even give a copy of her driver's license.
Okay, and a court trial was scheduled at that time.
Wait.
Hold on.
Okay, I got lost there.
It's okay. At that time, it was Whitney Stark who was counsel of record. The defendant entered a not guilty plea on August 29th, 2024.
Can I object to that?
Nope, ma'am,
Court guy, he just, it's
No.
okay.
please.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Ms. Felvey filed a motion to recuse this court to recuse itself. And the
course she
court has
did.
already issued a deny the request for recusal. And I'm not going to go over the reasons for that. That's already been, record has already been made. I agree with the people that you should have done that. Hold on. I'm ruling in your favor, so it'd be
Okay.
silly to interrupt me.
I'm going to interrupt you.
So you should have done that. You had these deadlines a long time ago, and you're not represented by counsel, and you had an advisory council who you could have talked to about these deadlines. You had access to all these legal resources, including the court's order of when witness endorsements were due. Hold on, ma'am. Please.
For real, for real.
I'm ruling in your favor.
We get it.
Try not to deter me from doing so.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
She's not very sorry. Check out the link in the description for to watch that whole one with both and Judge Fleischer's on the end of that clip too, actually. See, I get to see some older Judge Fleischer you might have missed. Thanks for coming out today, guys. I really appreciate it. These judges that you saw right here, not Judge Fleischer, are only available on this channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button or you're going to miss more. I had one this morning, Judge Cochran. It was fantastic. Mr. Kelly's in there, and we've been watching the Mr. Kelly saga, and it's so good. But you only see it here. So thanks for coming out. I appreciate it. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, guys.